guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this look that was inspired by the Lady Gaga halftime show look that she had on. And if you want to see how I made this look happen, just keep on watching. So I am starting off with doing my brows, and as usual I am using the Paradise Pomade Extatic from L'Oreal Paris. And now I will be doing my eyes, so I am taking the Thank Me Later eyelid primer from Elizabeth Moss. Like so. And next I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I will be using the color Venetian Red, and I will be putting this all over my lid. And next I'm going in with the color Tempera, and I will be putting this below my brow. And next I will be going in with the Makeup Store mixing liquid to attach this glitter powder from Aden, and this is in the color 24. And I will be putting this on top of the red shadow. And as you can see, there's a lot of fallout, so I'm just gonna clean that up before we continue. And now I'm going in with the 2-in-1 eyeliner and shadow from Jelly Pong Pong. And I'm putting this in my upper waterline. And for mascara, I'm taking the Volume Million Lashes Eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris. And I will be putting on false lashes at the end of the video. So the next step is foundation, and I'm using the Coverage Foundation from The Ordinary. And today I am trying out the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. And I took the lightest one I could find that wasn't white. So I hope that this will be fine, otherwise we'll notice. And I just want to try this. I feel like it might not be great, but I will be trying the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And I just want to see if I can do it. So it didn't do much, but I didn't put that much on. I just wanted to try it out. Next I will be going in with powder, and as usual I'm using the Lumene Sheer Finish Loose Powder. And now I'm going back in with the Modern Renaissance palette. And the color Venetian Red. And I will now be putting this under my eye. For my inner corner, I will be putting the color Vermeer, just this one. And back in with the 2-in-1 eyeliner and shadow. And back in with the Volume Million Lashes Féline mascara. And now I'm going in with the clear eyebrow gel from the Browgal. And now I will be doing the rest of my face, so I'm going in with the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I am bronzing up my face using the colors Mott and Cigar. And for blush, I'm going in with the color Pinwheel, which is this really pink one. And for highlight, I'm going in with the color Milky Way. This one. And now it is lips, and I will be trying the Girl Power liquid lipsticks in the color... Oh, maybe the color is Girl Power. No, it's Peach Please. And it's from the Beauty Crop. Instead, I will be taking the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. And this is in the color Honeymoon. So I'm just gonna pop on some lashes and then we'll be done. So I will be right back. So this, you guys, is the finished look. This was obviously inspired by the Lady Gaga Super Bowl, whatever year she was there. Look that she had on, and yeah, I think it turned out super pretty. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment saying what you thought, and I will see you in my next video.